Hello, good morning. Ako si Makebo dito, take a seat sana. Hello, ako bati na akong kaya ako gikat trabaho. Joke. Today is February 7, 2012. And then I'm here in Polao, Tangub City doing my landscaping. See? Effect system. Okay, nako din here. Then I will show you my work every morning. This is my jogging. Joke. Look at that. Okay. That's my helper, my vehicle. Okay. I'm going to a lot of project here and full out. Okay. That's the I make a square here, square landscaping like that. That's a circle 2, and then this area is the square. Then sumpayasay effect. English is ayay ka gi-Englishan ko da na may liquid solution that was mixed evenly and organic and help undergone fermentation. This is 2. My landscaping also. This is my landscaping also 2. Ana siya art diha. Then bulak. Okay, the coconut tree is going bigger. I'm the one who planted. Okay? That's it. Medyo dako-dako na siya gamay. Okay. That area. This is the area. This is the skipping area. Okay? This is okay, this is the area of Bukid. I'm here in the Bukid. I'm going to my future house. Joke. Anong house? Butangag house ba? Manay avocado. Avocado. This is the diha na ko ibutang akong balay pohon. Diha nga area. Diha na ko ibutang akong silingan. Turas pagdo. Make a wave, dude. What's up? Bida pangkip yan o. Naman na siya pareha sa bangko nga. Lubi-lubi. American lubi-lubi. Okay, this is the area. Di lang ni siya kurapon. Okay. Dari akong future nga balay. Agray. A lots of tunok effect. This is the second area. Asha. Want to help that? Because I don't want to be an old that I have no drawing in our home. Di ko gusto nga matigulang ko nga ako'y buhaton sa balay nga matigulang ko nga naagit nga buhaton maguna-guna mag-art maglantaw sa business ko. Betcha nga business nga unsa man business ko ay no sakto ra kay mag 4 minutes na diha ang gym sayawanan tanan okay babu. I'm YouTube to YouTube. Joke Michael dahil. Sure, pag sure.